Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on THEVAX.
I had my vaccine last 12 of February. I decided to have this because I knew and I believe that this will protect me, other people, my family, especially my grandsons. As a senior citizens, it's really very important to have this vaccine. The day that I had my vaccine, the doctor asked me to stay for a while, about 15 minutes, because they wanted to observe me. So after 15 minutes, I went home. When I got home, I took paracetamol, just in case I have sore arm or other reactions. But thanks God that I have no reaction at all, aside from a little bit of sore arm. They asked me also to rest for that day and to have to drink a lot of water, like water or juice. First day, I'm fine. Second day, I'm okay. No reaction at all, or whatever pains, or feeling something different. I'm really glad and I'm happy that I had this vaccine. At least I have peace of mind. I really wanted to encourage everyone to have vaccine because I knew that this will really help me, especially senior citizen. Please don't listen to any misleading information that you can hear from some sort of WhatsApp, Facebook, or whatever. But just have this vaccine, please. And now I'm okay. So there's nothing. It's just it's just normal. It's at least now I have confident that I can travel or I can go home to the Philippines, or if I wanted to have holidays in along here or just somewhere places in London, I can go because I already have vaccine.